Hi, it's Daniel Dahdah. I'm from St Jude's Clinic, and what I'm doing is harming my neck. Well, that's no good. We've got to stop that. And the reason why I feel as though this video is really important is because of this. This is killing people. It really is. It leads to the bump here at the back of the neck. It's very harmful. You go to any bus stop and you'll see kids doing this, adults doing this, looking down. Well, that's not on. We've actually got to do something about that. So how we do that is by actually educating people how to use their smart devices by being smart themselves. So where you can, if you've got a device like this, why not? Put it up in front of your face and start texting that way. If you don't have somewhere where you can rest your arms, say on a table, like I've got just in there, what you can do is you can actually fold your arm and put the elbow on the opposite wrist, like that. Again, it's still up in front of your face as well. If you're actually texting, you're going to have to do something a little bit like this, or speak to it. Hey Google, send a message to my wife.
All right. What's your wife's name?
What is my... You should know better than that, Google. What I'm suggesting is we've got to get smart with our devices. We actually have to speak to them, send messages that way, use Voxer or do voice to text, or if you've got your phone like this and you prefer to text like this, by all means. But keep the phone in front of your face. Even this screen here that I'm using to make this recording is up high. Notice how I'm actually looking up at the screen. But so many people I consult with on Zoom are actually doing this, looking down at their laptop. We have to stop that. We've actually got to change, and we've got to bring our head up into this position in here. And so a simple laptop stand, and I'll leave a link below to some laptop stands as well, they're very good in terms of what they can do to preserve this area of the neck. And these two simple strategies, using either this screen or that screen in there, is going to save you dollars. It's going to save you visits to practitioners, time spent unable to go out and participate in some sort of social outing, or that there's going to be migraine or headaches being felt, simply because this is the junction here that controls migraine and headaches. And we need to be really mindful of this area. And if we're going to be looking down all the time, looking at a device, well, you can expect, unfortunately, the law of cause and effect to apply. It's going to end up in migraine. And look, truth be told, I'm working a lot more now using the screen, and I get the occasional migraine. I know how to control it, praise God, but they're not pleasant things. Migraines are chief robbers of quality of life, and we need to do something about that. So if you've got migraine, or if you want to get some relief with those things, start with these two tips. All right, that screen and this screen in here, start with those. This is killing people. So look, I hope it helps you. My name's Daniel Dahdah. I'm from St Jude's Clinic, and I help people reclaim their lives, especially those who have got unexplained illnesses. If you would like more, if you would like to subscribe or like this comment, or even post a comment down below and ask me what it is that you'd like help with, I'd be happy to help you. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right? Thank you for watching. Bye for now.